Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a way you can roll on your hands and knees, and I call it the right side up windshield wiper. Now if you don't know what the windshield wiper is, you need to, because it is a fantastic roll. And what it does is, it mobilizes your thoracic spine, which is great for your body because it helps give you good posture, and it helps free your shoulders so that they can move through a good and full range of motion. And it just feels good. But that's the windshield wiper. But the right side up windshield wiper would look like, microphone, would look similar. So I'm gonna show you two ways to do this. But we're on our hands and knees, and what we're gonna do is we're going to rotate our hips down to the floor. And if they can just kiss the floor, then we're gonna rotate them up, down to the floor, where they just kiss the floor. So it's kind of like a similar, if you squint, it's a similar motion to the windshield wiper, it's just right side up. Now what you'll notice is, as those hips come down to the floor, you're gonna feel some stretching. Maybe some stretching in your hips on the outside here, not on this side, but the side that's towards the floor. And as it comes back up, you're going to feel your obliques working to rotate your torso back to the side. Now again, when this hip goes down towards the floor, you may feel some stretching in your side there, your TFL or your glute med or one of those muscles. All right, now that's one way to do it. Another fun way to do it is to elevate those knees and let your feet pivot, and then gently set yourself down on the floor, but you want to keep your hands on the floor. So there's no weight on this hand really, it's all here. And then you rotate yourself up, and then you gently set yourself down on the floor. Now I'm talking to you, so I'm not doing this as I actually would if I were alone, but let me show you how I would do it if I were alone. I'm gonna put my head motion into it. So I'm gonna keep looking, keep looking. Now, elevating the knees here puts a little bit more stress and tension on your obliques and your lats as that hip goes down towards the floor. So again, we're here, we rotate, we rotate. Now if you do this slow, as you lift yourself, especially if you go slow motion, you're gonna feel all kinds of wonderful goodness in your torso, especially as you lift. So that's elevated, and again, you can also, if you put your knees together, you can also do it here, which is less tension, but you still get good opening of the hip or stretching of the hip and some good rotation in your spine. Anyway, that movement, the right side up windshield wiper, feels pretty daggone good, and you can actually feel that it's making your muscles stronger reflexively. You don't even have to think about it, you just get to experience it. Anyway, give that a shot. Let me know what you think. Write all comments to Tim at Original Strength on the comment section. Anyway, have a good week, guys. Talk to you soon.